I'm Daniel Rodriguez with Honda, and welcome to the Honda Collection Hall, a place where innovation and history live side by side. Every vehicle you see here is a fully running, driving example, preserved to showcase Honda's spirit of engineering and performance. Behind me, 6 generations of Prelude. Each one a standout, each one a signal that Honda was thinking differently. And now, meet the newest one. The 2026 Prelude makes a bold first impression, low, wide, and unapologetically driver-focused. That's been true of every Prelude generation. From the beginning, it was a coupe built for the road ahead, clean, confident, and always a little ahead of its time. This one picks up right where those left off. The long hood and sculpted sides speak to that legacy, but the details tell a story of progress. Let's explore the design that sets it apart. From the very first generation, Prelude was known for its clean lines and progressive proportions. This new generation builds on that heritage with a long hood, athletic stance, and fluid silhouette that stretches into a sleek rear liftback. Up front, the design is clean and technical. A slim grille and narrow horizontally stretched LED headlights emphasize the car's width and low center of gravity. And it's not just for show. The minimal grille and smart aerodynamics speak to the Prelude's hybrid efficiency and streamlined performance. Low on the body, you'll find integrated air-extracting vents. They release airflow from the wheel wells to reduce turbulence and drag. Inside those wheel wells, you'll find standard 19-inch wheels with 235/40/19 tires, giving Prelude a low, planted look. Subtle sculpting around the sides adds movement without clutter. And with a liftback style rear, it's not just about design, it's about real-world practicality. This is a coupe you'll be happy to live with every day. Look closer at the roofline, and you'll spot a motorsport-inspired double bubble design. Originally developed to optimize helmet clearance in racing, it adds headroom inside while enhancing aerodynamics outside. Around back, the full-width LED taillight bar makes a bold impression. It spans the entire width of the car, reinforcing its planted stance and giving it a distinctive nighttime signature. And just below it, a true throwback. The Prelude script badge, featured prominently on the rear, just like it was on earlier generations. It's a name with history. From every angle, the 2026 Prelude is a celebration of what made the originals so special. Reimagined for a new generation of drivers. It's low, confident, and clean, built to move you emotionally, and designed to perform practically. This is what the future of a driver's coupe looks like. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's modern, premium, and unmistakably driver-focused. Let's take a closer look. Inside the Prelude, every detail is built around the person behind the wheel. The dash sits low and wide, just like in past Preludes, creating a clean sightline and an open feel. The lines are simple and deliberate, reflecting Honda's interior design philosophy, intuitive, not overwhelming. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster adapts to how you drive. It changes with each drive mode, and when you press S Plus right here, the interface gets even sportier. The power gauge is replaced by a simulated gear indicator, a small detail that really connects the hybrid system to the driving experience. For more information on the S Plus shift system, please watch the Prelude technology video in this series. And controlling that display is simple. Thanks to the steering wheel controls placed right at your thumbs, you can scroll through key vehicle info and access settings without ever having to take your hands off the wheel. But this isn't just any wheel. The Prelude features a unique flat bottom design, which is a clear signal that this is something special. Sculpted thumb rests at 9 and 3 o'clock provide great handholds for canyon carving. But the lower half of the wheel was intentionally made thicker to make it more comfortable to hold when cruising along. It's another reminder that this cabin was built for performance as well as comfort. Moving to the center, we find the 9-inch color touchscreen. It floats above the dash and puts all the key functions within easy reach. Navigation, audio, smartphone integration. It's all quick to access, and just below, physical climate controls make it easy to make adjustments quick and distraction-free. That means less time digging through menus and more time with your eyes on the road. The seat's high back design is a subtle nod to the fourth generation, distinctive, supportive, and unmistakably coupe. The driver's seat is tuned firmer than the passenger side, reinforcing that this car was built around the person behind the wheel. And the bolstering is substantial, and you feel locked in when the road gets twisty. But the cushions are still comfortable enough to take on traffic without complaint. Let's talk about the finishes. There are two available interior color themes. One is classic black with blue and white contrast stitching. The other is a bold blue and white two-tone, a fresh, modern combination never before seen in a Honda interior. It's another example of how Prelude pushes things forward while still honoring the attention to detail that defined its past. While the design feels premium, there's real thought behind everyday convenience too. The center console features deep storage, dual cup holders, and a padded armrest right where you expect it. It's simple, usable, and built for the way you actually drive. In the back, the rear seats are all about flexibility. They fold flat, giving you a surprisingly large cargo area, thanks to the lift-back design. And it's easily accessed by this huge opening, which means oversized items like a surfboard will fit right in. Whether it's a weekend getaway bag or your daily haul, Prelude makes space for it without giving up its sleek coupe silhouette. The interior of the 2026 Prelude is all about balance. Premium materials, performance-minded design, and the kind of thoughtful touches that make every drive easier. You get the focus and feel enthusiasts expect with the comfort and storage you need every day. From the clean dash and intuitive controls to the flexible cargo space and bold color options. This is a driver's coupe built for real life. This is a hybrid sports coupe that adds technology to make driving easier, more intuitive, more connected, and more rewarding. Let's take a closer look at how it all comes together. From the very beginning, Prelude has been about putting the driver at the center, and this digital display carries that legacy forward in a whole new way. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster is clean and customizable. Each drive mode transforms the layout to match the experience. And when you press the new S Plus button, the gauges come alive, replacing the power meter with a simulated gear indicator. It's a nod to traditional performance driving, brought to life through hybrid innovation. More on S Plus shift in a bit. The 9-inch color touchscreen floats cleanly above the dash, leaning into the tech-forward layouts of past Preludes. But this one brings the future with it, powered by Google built-in. You get voice-activated Google Maps, Google Assistant, and personalized apps from Google Play. Just like Prelude has always done, it introduces innovation in a way that feels natural. Down here, there's a standard wireless charging pad, plus 2 USB-C ports. Then there's the premium sound system. 8 Bose speakers, including a subwoofer. It's powerful and immersive, and it's the kind of audio quality you'd expect from something called Prelude. And right here is where it all connects. The drive modes plus the new S Plus shift button. You've got 4 total modes: Comfort for smooth commuting, GT for a balanced everyday feel, Sport for a sharper response, and Individual so you can dial it in your way. But S Plus is where the personality of this car really shines. With one tap, you get the sharper throttle, simulated shifts, and a whole new digital interface. It's not just about driving a hybrid, it's about driving something that feels alive. And like every modern Honda, the Prelude comes standard with Honda Sensing. That means advanced features like collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more, all working in the background to support your drive. It's confidence when you need it, and peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. The tech inside the 2026 Prelude isn't just advanced, it's purposeful. It's about how everything from Google built-in to S Plus shift makes you feel more connected, more in control, and more excited to drive every single day.
Hi, I'm Attilio with Honda Genuine Accessories, With the Prelude making its return as Honda's dedicated sport coupe, we created a lineup of sport-focused accessories. They are designed to elevate its bold, performance-driven character while giving owners more ways to personalize and show off their Prelude with pride. Our genuine accessories sharpen Prelude's style, protect it where it matters most, and add unique details you won't find anywhere else. Starting at Prelude's low nose, the front underbody spoilers emphasize its wide, planted stance. A front black 3D H mark, paired with our gloss black mirror caps, create a cohesive sporty look. Take note of the 19-inch gloss black machine finish alloy wheels, paired with optional performance summer tires, delivering a bold style with the grip to match. Down low, the rear fender protection film helps keep the paint looking fresh by deflecting small rocks and debris, while the Prelude logo adds a subtle touch of customization. Out back, the rear Honda black emblem creates a consistent look front to back while highlighting the Prelude Heritage logo. The gloss black rear spoiler adds a sleek, performance-inspired touch to the Prelude's sporty coupe profile. Every entry feels elevated with the illuminated Prelude logo on the door sill, a detail that seamlessly blends function and style. And the available all-season floor mats help protect your Prelude from whatever you bring in. In the liftback area, a cargo tray helps keep the trunk tidy and easy to clean, while the cargo cover adds an extra layer of privacy. All of these accessories are designed and engineered by Honda for a perfect fit and finish, and they come with a 3-year warranty when installed at the time of purchase. These are just a few of the available genuine Honda accessories for the all-new Prelude. Be sure to visit the Honda Info Center to explore the full lineup and find the perfect combination for your style. Thanks for watching.